Ingredients: half tomato can, 1 potato, ready-made masala pack, one tablespoon ginger and garlic paste, coriander, 1 onion, 1 green pepper, half cup oil, 1 kilogram chicken. Put the ginger and garlic paste and onion into the oil and heat till the onion is brown. Blend the tomatoes with electric hand blender. Put the tomatoes into the brown onion and fry for 5 to 10 minutes. Put the potatoes and fry for 5 minutes more. Put the chicken and fry for 5 minutes. Put 2 tablespoons of the masala mix and salt as needed, and add 1 glass of water. Cook for 10 to 15 minutes or until the chicken and the potatoes become tender and you see oil layer on top. Garnish with coriander and pepper.
ナウイートディス